This is Fantastic Floral Fantasies Creativity Kit from Altenew. This is a specially curated collection of products created to inspire your creativity. Create a plethora of fantastic floral creations with this comprehensive kit. The kit contains stamps and dies that will work perfectly together, be that on cards, journals, scrapbook pages and even home decor. In the kit you will receive Floral Fantasy Stamp and Die Bundle, Fantasy Floral 3D Die Set, More Than Words Stamp Set. An exclusive project guide is also included to help kickstart your creativity. For more information on Fantastic Floral Fantasies Creativity Kit and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.